Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be showing you some PR mailers I've been sent over the last couple of weeks. I've got a mixture. I've got some home fragrances, makeup, hair care and some skincare to share with you. These brands kindly send me the PR mailers for free. There's no contract in place. There's no sponsorship, anything like that. It's just I'm on their mailing list and they kindly send me their mailers usually when they have some new products to release, in the hope, I'm guessing, that I will try them and I will fall in love with them and then I'll tell you all about it. So I started doing these PR boxings because I know a lot of you like to see what we YouTubers receive. So although I don't go into full detail and testing them all out, but you get to see exactly what I'm sent and hear about what is upcoming and new possibly. As always, a huge thank you to the brands that reach out to me. I'm always super grateful when I receive a parcel and they come out the blue. Especially this big one that I received yesterday. Oh, I'm so excited. It's from Rituals, by the way. So I don't always know that I'm getting them. So thank you to the brands, but obviously it's down to you lot as well. So a huge thank you to you for supporting me on here and on Instagram, because if it wasn't for you lot, then these brands would not notice me. So starting off with one of my favourite brands, it's Erborian, and they've sent me two of my favourite makeup and skincare products. Look. I've got two BB creams with ginseng. It's a makeup face cream in one. They contain SPF 20 and they are beautiful. They're really lovely. I'd say buildable up to like a medium coverage, not necessarily dewy, but they're not matte either, so a really perfect in between, if that makes sense. But I've got nude and I've got clear. Clear is a little bit warmer than nude, I don't think by much. So it says here, what is a BB cream? It's a beauty balm, best base, bounce boost with big benefits. It contains Korean ginseng, as effective as retinol, boosts collagen for smooth, bouncy skin, conceals imperfections, boosts moisture, refines skin texture, buildable coverage, and a natural finish. They're gorgeous, so thank you so much to Erborian for them. Next, I got a little box from MAC. And in here are a few new lipsticks from their nude collection. A little bag. Very cute. So we've got two Power Kiss lipsticks and we've got two Maximal matte lipsticks. I'll do a little swatch for you. Starting off with the liquid lipsticks. This is in Taken. Gorgeous moussey formula. There. Then I got Buffiest, which is there. Then I got Silky Matte Maximal lipstick. There. Sorry, I forgot to say that colour was Yash. And we've got here Folio, the soft matte Maximal lipsticks. There. I like these two, but I think this one might be a bit too dark for me. And that one is not something I would normally wear. A little bit too grey for me. So thank you to MAC for sending me out some new shades. Next I got Living Proof, and this is a brand new product just launched. This is an air dry styler, creates effortless lasting styles. It's a styling cream and there's 148 mils here. It launched at the beginning of the month and it retails for £27. Achieving the perfect mix of speed, convenience and all-day style remains elusive in the world of healthcare, as many existing stylers offer solutions for air drying but lack sufficient hold or weighed down hair. Hence the new air dry styler. Your go-to cream for a healthy and effortless look, no heat damage, no frizz. Apply a small amount on detangled towel dry hair, style straight, wavy and curly as desired to enhance the natural texture, and then air dry. You can see as an example there. So thank you to Living Proof. On to another hair care brand, and this is Philip Kingsley. And they've sent me two shampoos. I have got Density. This is a thickening shampoo. Volumizes and strengthens fine, fragile hair. Handy. And then I've got an Itchy Flaky Scalp shampoo. Oh no, it's a conditioner, not shampoo. It's a hydrating conditioner, moisturizes, detangles and nourishes dry hair, and also 200 mils there. So a shampoo and conditioner duo. They're giving me a code to share with you all. If you use code shampoo15, you get 15% off site-wide. So underneath my videos, you see a description, and I've got a few discount codes for different brands. So I'll pop that under there if any of you are Philip Kingsley fans. It says, invite your followers to take our quick hair quiz and receive a personalised hair wash day routine tailored to their unique strand texture, hair colour and scalp needs in just under a minute. So there's a QR code there. So I don't know if you screenshot that and then get your phone. I don't know how you would do it off a screen, but hopefully that works there. But it just goes on to showing you the different products in the Philip Kingsley range of shampoos then. So thank you to Philip Kingsley. I've got Clarins. And this is really, really lovely. Unfortunately, it's a little bit smashed, the packaging, but it doesn't take away that it just looks so gorgeous. You're just going to see my ring light. But it's like a mirror, but it's all frosted, like it's got snow on it. It's broken there. So never mind about that. But no, I can definitely use this box. It's just like a makeup box with a mirror. That's handy. Only information I have is that discover a visible lift effect in just 10 minutes. Cryo Flash Cream Max is a true skincare innovation with love Clarins. So this is, yeah, a Cryo Flash Cream Mask. Instant tightening, firming and glow boosting in apparently just 10 minutes. I'm going to have to try this out. A little spatula and then a thermometer. I'm sure it didn't come with any other information, but yeah, I got a little thermometer there. I'm going to have to look online to read more about it. Maybe I've got to keep it in the fridge. It smells like very subtle spa. You can't see anything. Freezing cold. I love the sound of this though. Tightening, especially I'll put a load on my neck there. Okay, it's not a moisturiser, it's a mask. Okay, you can't see anything. It is minty. It reminds me very much of a Body Shop mask from years ago that had like a very, very cooling effect. You apply it on your skin and it feels really, really cold, and that had like a minty sort of smell, and it smells a little bit like that. So yeah, I'm going to have a look into that. Not too sure where the thermometer comes into it. Yeah, if you'd like to see me testing it out, then let me know. Thank you to Clarins for sending that out to me. And then lastly, the big one that came yesterday. Every gift from a friend is a wish for your happiness. And it's got rituals there. I have had a look already. I couldn't resist. So, ooh, some nice goodies. This is gorgeous. I haven't ever seen this before. This is a shampoo and body bar, the ritual of Ayurveda. So it's an Indian rose and almond oil. It's mild and ultra soft. There's 100 grams here. It's soap free. Unique formula for all hair and skin types. Wonder what that is like. If any of you have tried it before, please let me know what you think. I love the smell. Yeah, really, really nice. I like that. And then the next two items are from the Alchemy collection. I've got a fragrance stick, so it's a reed diffuser in amber and myrrh. This is a big, massive one. Now, these sort of smells are very strong. They're not the sort of smells I would wear as a perfume. I'm more of a fruity, floral type of lover. But look how gorgeous that looks. That looks so smart, doesn't it? Can you see? And you've got reeds then to put in there. It's huge. It's the sort of smell that would be lovely in a really cosy living room or a hallway or something, you know? So yeah, so not normally a smell I would go for, but definitely more of a household smell than a perfume. Then I've got a home perfume. And this is a big one. This is 300 ml, so exactly the same scent. It just looks so smart, doesn't it? Let's see what it's like. It's a very cozy, wintry type of smell. I'm useless, aren't I? I am useless at describing. Think log fire, candles, that sort of thing, you know? So it doesn't say anything about it here. Elevate your space with the Alchemy Collection Home Perfume. Perfect for refreshing any room. The ombre glass bottle is a sensory delight, captivating both the sight and sense of smell. Thank you so much to Rituals for sending this out to me. So there you go. There's all the items I've received from different beauty brands over the last couple of weeks. Let me know if you've tried them before, what you think of them. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.